Good morning friends. So today I am going to discuss about transport of plants. So basically, like human beings are inhabited to eat the foods and drinks to keep them hydrated and be fulfill their body inhabitants. Like that, plants have also some processes. One of them is transportation, in which food and water is transported to different parts of the plant by following processes. First topic is absorption of water and minerals. So water is found in the soil gaps between the soil particles. We have learned in the science about the groundwater. So these groundwater are absorbed by soil during the rain, and hence the process of some plants, these mineral water is used for process of plants. So in soil water, the observation of plant is of three ways. First is of diffusion. In diffusion, the particles of lower concentration moves toward the higher concentration, means all the particles in the higher concentration are giving the energy to their lower concentration areas in the diffusion. So the diagram for diffusion is like this. Means here low concentrated areas in which less protein and minerals are there of the plant, and here is the high concentration of food and mineral in the plant. So these particles are moving towards this because there is no space in the higher concentration areas and moving toward the lower concentration areas. So this process is known as diffusion. Then second is osmosis. So osmosis, it is same like in diffusion, but some process is different. In this process, a semi-permeable membrane is there in which selectively particles or minerals are chosen to go in the transport of plants. So here semi-permeable membrane is there. So like if the membrane selects these two particles, so these two particles will enter there. Although all particles can enter, but because of semi-permeable membrane in the osmosis process, no one except these two can enter inside the semi-permeable membrane. Then active transport. So in active transport, the gaps are filled with water in the osmosis, and in this process low energy is there. After transportation, these energies are transported to the opposite sides of low concentration areas to high concentrated areas. We have seen in these two processes, these high concentrated areas is moving to the lower concentration areas, but in the active transport, these low concentrated areas, the minerals and waters are going to the high concentrated areas to generate more energy. So I hope you understood these three ways of transporting in the plants of water and minerals. In next video we will proceed further.